Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming safety and legal limits, then act fast. Position the vehicle on a level surface and secure parking brake. Pick a microphone suited to loud sources, a dynamic for raw power, or a condenser with a pad if you have preamp headroom. Once done, mount the mic 0.5 to 1 meter from the exhaust tip, angle it toward the exit, and isolate it with a shock mount to cut vibration. Make sure cables are tidy, and set your recorder to a conservative input level. You now dial in levels and choose capture methods. Set the recorder so peaks sit around -12 to -6 dBFS, record at 24-bit and 48K HZ or higher for headroom. Once levels are set, record multiple passes, idle, gradual revs, full throttle runs, and steady cruise at specific RPMs. Make 2 mic placements, one close for detail and one ambient for perspective. Record them simultaneously if possible. Also, log each take with clear labels, so you can match audio to engine speed. You finish by securing your assets and checking quality. Back up raw files to 2 drives right away and note take numbers. Then review waveforms. If you see any clipping near 0 dBFS, reduce input gain and retake that run. Aim to avoid digital distortion. If unwanted noise, wind, traffic, or rattles shows up, move the mic, add a windscreen, or change vehicle position to block sources. One last tip: use a gentle high-pass filter in post only if low rumble is problematic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.